Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to look at the last of the three connection points that we're going to survey with Amazon SES. And you're looking at Easy Send Pro. It says that it's designed for a user base of about 5,000, which would be considered to be a smaller mid-sized business. And the pricing is again considered favorable to autoresponder companies, where you'll see that $59 a month would be for 100,000 subscribers. Now, Easy Send Pro is designed to work with a number of SMTP services, including Amazon SES as well as SendGrid and others. Another system is Mautic. Mautic is open source and free to get started. Now there is a pro version that does offer additional features and has a variable pricing method. And finally, there is Agile CRM. Agile CRM is another cloud-based company that works with other larger and web-based businesses. As you can see, it has varying pricing depending on how large you're going to need, depending mainly on what kind of integrations you're going to need with your email system. And as you can see, 50,000 contacts will be as low as $29 a month. So you can use Amazon SES either with a server-based system where you are going to maintain the software, or with a cloud-based system where you're going to allow someone else to maintain the system and then connect to your Amazon SES as your marketing communication system. Obviously, there are cost considerations, so you'll need to make sure if you choose the route of lesser cost that it's not offset by needing to maintain your server. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.